Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage and cancel automatic payment in PayPal. What you need to do, first just go to PayPal and log in your account, and then just click on settings icon. After that, payments, and then you see here automatic payments. Manage automatic payments. Now just select which one that you want to cancel the payment. I wanted to cancel this image check. Just click here, and here you can get some information about the payment. Payment will be made every month. Start date, next payment on 7th of September, and the price $3.99. Now just click here, cancel. Cancel your future automatic payments to image check. Cancel automatic payments. Just click here. It's done now. Yes, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to manage and cancel automatic payment in PayPal. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.